Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. This week we're down here at Pheasant Wood Raceway. We've got the Lexus IS600 and we've also got a couple of other Lexuses with us. We've got a IS300 which is pretty stock, first time driver, so cool to see her out here today. And also we've got another guy, Wayne, out here with a IS200 which is 1UZ converted. The track is currently wet but it is drying. The day's looking like it's going to be a pretty good day. We're currently in the middle of the deluge of rain in Sydney and New South Wales at the moment, but somehow we've managed to score a bit of a clean day. We almost didn't come today, but I need to run the engine of the Lexus in before we do another drift day and flog the absolute guts out of it. I think maybe that's part of the reason why it died prematurely, but I'm definitely going to take my time with this engine and try and make sure it survives. That being said, we're going to go and do some laps. Not sure to what pace yet. I'm pretty much going to cruise around and get the vibe. I've only really done one day here since the layout was changed and refreshed, since it became Pheasant Wood effectively. But pretty cool layout. It's a nice short track, so you don't need a ton of power. Really good first timer track too. If you're thinking about having a track day and you're within a couple of hours of this place, highly recommend it. Really good facility, really accommodating owners as well. So yeah, we're going to dive out onto the track pretty soon, but let's get to it.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
Interesting.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
We just spent a bit of time repairing Livia's IS600 behind us. It unfortunately met a tyre wall, and luckily she's all right, and she didn't have a passenger at the time, so unfortunately she doesn't live close to the track, so it's a bit of a hike home. So me and Wayne and the boys all dived in and bashed the thing back out, and it's at least drivable now. She can get home. It doesn't look too badly damaged, to be honest. I reckon should be pretty much bolt-on stuff with a bit of a pull maybe. Pretty lucky to have not come out hurt, and yeah, pretty minor repair bill. But we're gonna get back on the track, so let's go for a lap. Well, unfortunately, the day's been cut short. We've got a fair bit of wet weather, and I think it's actually going to set in for the afternoon. I could go out there and do another 50 laps if I wanted to, but we've got what we wanted from today. Basically given the car a pretty good shakedown. There's a few little things to have a play around with when we go back to the shop. All things going well. I think next time, yeah, we'll be tearing this thing up pretty well. Massive thanks to Wayne actually for organising the day. He organised it through the IS200, IS300 group of Australia. Yeah, wet weather's kind of killed us for today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.